How to write 0.8375 as a fraction in simplest form? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. So 4 digits we have, so write 410, of course, as a multiplication. To simplify this fraction in one step, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, as has 0 at the end, as this has 5 at the end. So if you divide this by 5, you will get 2, and if you divide this number by 5, what you will get? Look at here. 5 goes into 8 1 times 5 5, subtract 3, bring down this 3. 5 goes into 30 6 times 5 30, subtract 3, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 37, how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5 35, subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 5 5 times 5 25, subtract 0. So basically we are getting this 1675. Now this is also divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, we get 2, and we get what? 5 goes into 16, 3 times 5 15, subtract 1, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 17, 3 times 15, subtract 2, and again 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So we are getting 335. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, we get 2, and we get what? 5 goes into 33, 6 times 30, subtract 35, 7 times, so 67. So basically we are getting 67 divided by 2 times to 4, 4 times to 8 times 10. Now multiply 8 times 1, 8, add 0. 67 has only two factor, 1 and 67. Actually 1 times 67 equal to 67, so 1 and 67 are the factor of this. You will not get any two number between these two numbers. If you multiply that two numbers, that produce this. So this is a prime number. If you are if you get prime number either in numerator or denominator, you are done. This is the simplified version.